How to install a graphics card in a computer. Items needed. Step 1. Acquire a graphics card. Open up graphics card bag. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Pull graphics card out. And the small form factor bracket. Now take your screwdriver, and if needed, you need your screwdriver to unscrew the full-size bracket and put in the small one. You also need to take these little black pieces off. Now put on your small form factor bracket, or leave the full-size one on, and screw it down. Open up your computer, pull out the bracket, put your graphics card in, and set it down on top of the PCIe slot, and make sure that it is in correctly, and then push down. Then you can close this up or screw down the brackets, and you're good to go.